when you look to the long-term plan, because obviously PPP was a great short-term financial solution. You talked about intakes being down, an impending cash flow interruption. You told me before this webinar that you're not going to be able to try a case maybe until 2023. So what are some of the things that trial lawyers could become educated on to help their liquidity as they try to not only survive this, but thrive throughout this?
I think that, Ari, that's a great question. There's a couple of things that are incumbent in that must be done. One, you need to look at the cases that you have in your stock that can in fact be worked up and resolved at this point in time. And undoubtedly they're there. Whether you're a sole practitioner and you have 100 files, or you're 100 lawyers and you have 100,000 files. There's no doubt there's things within your portfolio that you are able to work on, you're able to turn over, and you're able to get great value on for your client and do your client the justice that needs to be done. The second thing that can absolutely be done is dealing with your firm's expenses on these cases. Expenses are things that a lot of law firms deal with differently, but I think we're going to see, and we should have, a real shift in people, instead of self-funding their case expenses, which in firms can be hundreds and hundreds and up to tens of millions of dollars. Those case expenses can be financed through your bank, through Esquire Bank, and it can be done, and it can save you on a number of ways. One, today's cash going out the door. If you're funding a product liability case, or a mass tort, or a class action, or a medical malpractice claim, you're looking at $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a quarter in expenses on some of these cases. And in doing so, that's real money that could be in your firm, making payroll, making rent, doing all the things that need to be done, that could be financed, and that could save you and your law firm a lot of overhead and a lot of problems.